Okay, I'm here at Cedar Creek, and it's pretty long. Well, I had to pull my kayak down from there, so I used the wheels. But it's beautiful. It's not as flooded. If you remember, the last time I was here, it was, it was pretty flooded. This area, like you couldn't even get to this bridge. So the plan is probably to go down. Oh, did you see that? Okay, there's something going on there. Anyway, our plan, my plan, not our plan. Well, there's critters in there, so I guess it's our plan. I'm gonna head down and look for. I'm gonna look for there's supposed to be some kind of a lake down there, so I'm kind of scoping it out because I want to bring Nancy here. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't know if you just saw that snake, but I got pictures of it. I tried to get it on the GoPro, but I don't know if you can see it. So, but he was a big one. It's a big snake. So I think we're going to see a lot of stuff.
especially popular. A lot of the guests that come by here. Now, when they have the Masters in Augusta, now I don't know if they're having like spectators this year for the Masters, but during Masters week, we get a lot of people who come here because they're looking for something to do. How far is that? 70 miles. It's an hour. Yeah. But in Augusta, all the hotels fill up, and so all the Columbia hotels fill up that weekend or that week. Hey, how's it going?
Beautiful day, huh?
Absolutely. Yeah. But yeah, so all the hotels fill up here, and like in Augusta, like people who live there rent their houses out.
Okay, I just passed a bunch of kayakers, but this is what they consider the lake in this Congaree River. It's just a wider area, and a lot of people come down here to fish, from what I understand. So I'm gonna show you kind of what it looks like. You can see it's like wider open space. And there's some land over there. I mean, you could get out and you know, if you had to pee or something. It's pretty quiet out here. I mean, other than those kayakers and canoers, but there's really not much going on. I'm kind of just sitting parked by the side here. They call it the bluff. But it's really pretty. And spring is just starting, so now you can see the leaves are just starting to fill out on the trees. So I'm gonna go down a little ways farther, and then I'm gonna head back. I can't zoom in, but on that, right next to that tree over there on the right hand side, there's a snake. I don't know what kind it is, but I got a picture of it. So that's the second snake I've seen. Head back now. This was not a bad paddle. There's some current, but it's not real strong. What the heck is that? I gotta go inspect. See what the hell that is. What is that? Oh, it's a gecko. Okay. Oh, it's a little gecko, I think. Oh, he's cute. Oh, there's a couple of them. Okay, that was a little gecko. A couple of them. About 3 of them. Really cute. See him skittering around. Figured I'd stop, get a picture of him. It's like a forest under the water. It's really beautiful. All right, well, that was super fun. This is pretty flooded here. Like, I mean, I think it's normally a trail, which I've been hearing all kinds of weird noises. There's definitely birds out there. But if you look, like, this trail is flooded, you know? So I don't think it's this wide ordinarily. I mean, as far as you can see, there's water out there. I mean, it makes for great kayaking because it gives you more surface area to kayak. I think that's a hawk. Anyway, it was a great paddle. It was really a lot of fun. Oh, I saw, I think 3 snakes. So it's pretty loaded with snakes. I didn't see any alligators. I'm kind of glad I didn't because I'm by myself. But yeah, lots of snakes out there. You got to look for them though.